Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another banger recipe. This right here is grilled boneless pork chops. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to make these. Alright, so we have our garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, paprika. We have our green parsley for garnish later. And we have olive oil. We're gonna use the olive oil to help hold the seasoning to the meat and also for the searing process. So go ahead and combine your seasonings and get your station set up, and let's move to the next step. All right, so this step right here, we're gonna go ahead and pat our pork chops dry. Try to dry it as best you can on both sides, because if you don't, it's gonna make it hard to get that sear, that color, that flavor that we're looking for. So make sure you pat them dry on both sides first. Then go ahead and apply the olive oil to both sides. And this pretty much is gonna help the seasoning stick to the pork chops better. Nothing more, none less. And as you can see, I'm coating the pork chops thoroughly to make sure that we keep as much seasoning on the pork chop during the searing process. And as you can see, I'm lightly seasoning the pork chops here. I have salt in it, so I'm not going to season this too heavy. I just want to make sure that I get some flavor on both sides. And you'll notice I start massaging it in, as you see here, to make sure I get the seasoning as far into that meat as possible to get the maximum flavor that we can. Do it on both sides, and once you do that, just kind of combine together and do what you see me doing now. This process is really just to make sure the seasoning is incorporated and mixed all over the pork chops so we can have that maximum flavor we're looking for before we get to the next step. All right, so let's go ahead and sear these bad boys. Get yourself a cast iron skillet. If you don't have one of these, that's fine. You can use a regular frying pan. You can use a flat top griddle if you have one. You can even grill them outside on an open fire flame, that's fine too. But I'm using the grill cast iron indoors because it's raining outside, and I didn't want to go outside and have to deal with the rain and everything like that. So I'm using the grill cast iron indoors. Get it up to temperature, get it hot, add a little olive oil to it, and then go ahead and place your pork chops in. And as you can see, beautiful, nice grill marks, nice sear, juicy pork chops. They don't look burnt, it's not overcooked, the temperature is just right. And look, we were able to achieve beautiful grill marks indoor with no grill. Take a closer look, you see, look how moist the pork chops are. Beautiful grill marks, nice sear. So now we're gonna let these sit and rest for 10 to 15 minutes before the plate up. All right, so for the plate up, there's no particular way to plate these. You can plate them how you want. We have no side dish items. So you can plate this side by side, make it look nice, and garnish it to your heart's content. Now the side dish, if you wanna use rice, mashed potatoes, or macaroni, you can. But today we only just showed you how to make the pork chops grilled indoor. And here's some of the mystery gravy I made. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section. I can make this recipe for you in a future video, no problem. Just let me know. Other than that, go ahead and garnish a plate. Make it look nice for your guests. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more from Mystery Bar, you want to follow us on the journey, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and share. I appreciate you.